Chinatown School, episode 66. That's a big splash. Water splash. Yeah! That's a joy too, the water will splash! Do again, Gasol, Poppy said. Just let me finish go over. Gasol, she said. Stop that right now. Gasol frowned. Sorry, he said. Just play in the sand, my friend said. Water is not for cars. My friend draw. Gasol waiting for a moment. My friend is gone, he said. Run. Let us spurt to the water and run back. The water feels great, Dipper said. I'm going in. No, Dipper, Eddie said. It's fun. Said Dipper. Dipper jumped into the water. She went in deeper and deeper. Dipper called to her friends. Come on in, she said.